Aray ko, almost 40k discount binigay.
You are the main reason talaga. Why did I start them?
O, na-inspire ka?
I was really inspired by you. Kukurot pa ako ng konti dito.
Huwag na bro. Hindi na kaya. What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Meron tayong bago. Uy brother, kamusta?
Doing well?
Have a seat. Brother, napapanood kita. Jewelry, no?
Yes, may mga ano rin sa watch pero not so much.
Nakikita ko minsan nag-accept ka ng watch tapos trade mo na lang. O kaya binibenta mo rin lang naman sa iba.
Yung iba, pinersonal ko na lang. Tulad nitong suot ng wife ko. Pinersonal ko na lang.
36mm.
Yes. Pero ngayon, I decided na...
Benta na?
Hindi naman. Para sa self naman.
Do you have anything in mind?
This one.
Actually, nakapili yan.
Nandiyan ka pala. So, we have here two watches. Is it your first Rolex?
Yes.
For personal? Okay.
Mostly kasi binili ko para ibenta talaga.
Anong gusto mo? Yung medyo complicated o hindi?
Simple lang. Casual
Simple lang. We have here actually, mas complicated lang to because it has a date. We call this the date chart. 36mm. It is a reference. 116200 2009. Comes complete with original papers pa niya. We are selling this for only 439. So relatively cheap naman siya. Next is we have here the Explorer 1 na 39mm. This is very simple. Walang date, walang any complication. This is a Mark 1 though. We call it the small hands. So small hands kasi hindi pa ganun kahaba yung hands ng minute. And sa Mark 2 may loom na yung 3, 6, and 9. Now dito naman, the 3, 6, and 9 is on a white gold.
Do you think as a Muslim, we don't wear golds?
Yes.
Pero there's a very limited talaga.
Well, as long as the gold in it, you can't get it and sell it as a gold. Permissible siya sa atin.
Alright.
Pag sa movement, meron yung mga rotor or yung mga spring bars, balance wheel, gold yun, pero pag kinuha mo, hindi mo rin siya mabibenta. So, those are permissible. For the 369, this is very minimum of gold.
Gold naman.
If you were to go with this, I don't think there's a problem. With this, they just, wala rin. This is all steel din.
Tinanong ko rin kay parang Omar, yung MK2.
Meron kaming MK2 kaso nasa process pa eh. Kasi every time we get watches, may mga 1 to 2 weeks pa bago siya malabas
Bago
namin.
siya malabas.
Yeah, kasi it will undergo yung servicing muna and then yung 7-step authentication and then after that, may photoshoot pa yun and then pag na-release ng Gentry Care, doon lang namin siya pwede ibenta.
Ano pa gusto mo dito? Ikaw ang pumili.
Tulungan mo siya.
Ito talaga.
Yan talaga.
Yan talaga, no? Try mo muna to. So that's how it looks. Very nice. Very classy lang. However, kasi ito, entry level to. This one, I think, would be mas maganda, even for your wrist. Would you wait for the Mark II or would you go for the Mark I na?
Can we see it? Parang pwede ba siya?
Mark, pwede ba natin makuha?
Hindi ko lang sure kung Mark 1 o Mark 2 yan.
If ever na wala talaga, I would rather get this.
Musang jewelry.
Okay naman, magalaw. Although marami tayong kakompetensya.
Oo naman.
Alhamdulillah. Nandun. Kasi for us, we believe that Qadar is there. So we just need to work for it.
That's what I was telling you
Yes,
every
yes.
time, di ba? Only
Yes.
do 100% and then leave everything to God. Everything is a blessing. Very nice. This is the Mark II. So the difference is mas mahaba yung minute hands and yung 369 niya is loom na. Compare dito. What do you like more? Siyempre ito.
Pero kung may bibigay sa atin ni paring Omar yung presyo ngayon, idadandil na natin. Babalikan ko. Pwede naman yun, di ba?
Yeah. Kapit bahay lang naman tayo. Dito ka lang. Who need help? Yung pag-vlog mo.
You are the main reason talaga. Why did I start them?
O na-inspire ka?
I was really inspired by you. Mga taong gaya-gaya ka
Walang
lang.
gaya-gaya.
Diba?
Sinasabi ko na sa iba yun. This is inspiration. Ang business gumawa ng isang page. Pag lahat ng business gumawa ng page, gaya-gaya na.
Yes.
It's a tool eh.
Yeah.
The vlogging is a tool that anyone can enjoy to support your own businesses, di ba?
I would say I'm the first guy who started vlogging in jewelry dito sa baba. After few months, nakita nila ako, sabi nila, gaya-gaya ka. Sabi ko, it's okay. Pero, nalunok nila yung sinasabi nila. Nag-start din sila mo.
My motto lagi is I don't see what the good things people say and I don't see also what the bad things people say. Pag masyado ka nag-focus sa mga haters, magiging affected ka, magiging conscious ka, you won't be able to perform. Pag naman, masyado kang tumingin dun sa mga good things na sinasabi ng tao, lalaki ulo mo. Both ways, wala akong titignan. I have a goal, I do the vlog, and I keep on doing it consistently and then that's it.
Bali bro, Swan, naka-reserve siya pero na-forfeit na yung down payment niya kasi matagal na.
Okay, release na natin to.
Price niyan, 479. That's 2017 model.
Eto kasi, okay na kami dito ni paring Omar sa price. Nasabi niya sa akin, hanggang 410 lang daw.
Okay. Omar, give mo. Ikaw magbigay ng best price.
Sige, kasi syempre ikaw nagbigay ng presyo sa akin.
Yes.
dun.
Alam ko last price ko dito, 420 eh.
You did say 410.
Talaga ba?
You said 420. Mabawasan ko pa yan mga 10k na lang.
May resibo. Wala kang takas, boy.
Additional on that, I think this is discontinued.
Yes. References to is 214270.
Give me best price, please.
Siguro same discount na lang kung magkano yung naibigay ko dito sa kapila.
Ay ko, almost 40k discount binigay mo. 479 minus 38, 441.
Mrs., ikaw na lang mag-decide dito. What do you prefer? Which one? Ito Ito 441, ito 410.
Ito na lang.
Ito na lang.
Mas safe ka pa dyan, wala talagang gold.
Mas safe ako dito. Siguro dito tayo, kukurot pa ako ng konti dito.
Wag na bro. Hindi na kaya.
Do you think I can get this now?
Are you paying cash ba?
I would transfer.
Tag mo naman ano yung page mo.
Diamond Studio by
Kunin ko lang,
Zubir.
Diamond Studio.
By Zubir. Hindi na ako tatawad. Nandito. Thank you so much.
Meron kang Dandil hoodie. Bigyan mo ng Dandil hoodie, pre.
Ha?
Bigyan mo ng Dandil hoodie.
Yeah, of course. Sige bro, may meet.
May meeting ako?
Oo. Ako na bahala kay boss.
Okay.
Nasa agenda.
Brother,
Thank you
maraming
so much.
salamat.
Thank you so
Thank you.